Hello everyone, welcome to Conversational Gems. Today we have with us Roomi, who is a technical support engineer of Zoho SalesIQ, who has about 5 years of experience in this field. Hi Roomi.
Hi.
How would you describe the best customer interaction you have had in the past 6 months, and what made this interaction memorable or exceptional?
Well, I've had a lot of years as a customer support experience, and I've come across a lot of scenarios, different scenarios, wherein I get to face a lot of different types of customers. And on one such scenario, I was in contact with a customer who had called us regarding an issue. So this was affecting his business. Though it was affecting his business and productivity, he was very calm and he was maintaining his calm head, cool head, and he was explaining me about his issue very patiently. So not everybody will be patient when it's affecting their productivity or business. This customer was very cool, and then after I figured out what the issue was, it was because of an minor change that he has configured, which was actually causing the issue. I figured it out and I resolved it for him. Later on, he was very cool, and we were talking about general stuff like football and cricket and everything. So this was actually a good interaction with one of the customers that we have. This made me feel very good on that day because it was at the beginning of the day, and whenever we get these kind of customers at the beginning of the day, the rest of the day will be fine as usual.
So, do customers provide any feedback or express gratitude for your support? And if yes, can you share a story?
Yes, we do get quite a lot of good feedbacks for the remote sessions or the meetings that we have with the customers. There is this one customer who, on connecting with me every time, he jokingly tells me that I have an answer for everything, and the next time that he should question me something about quantum physics or so. So this is one good feedback that the customer gives me. That particular customer gives me the same feedback on every time that he connects with me.
That's nice.
So this is very good actually.
Yeah. So, in your opinion, what key skills or qualities contribute to the success of customer interaction?
I personally feel that empathy, sympathy, active listening skills are the major factors. Apart from the software or the product knowledge that we have, will contribute to a good customer experience.
So, you told me that you should have empathy towards customer interaction. So, how do you ensure empathy during those interactions?
I usually acknowledge to the customer's issue. So one of the very best or very important things right from the beginning is that you should acknowledge the customer's issue or when they're talking to you. So when you acknowledge to the customer, you give out an impression that you are actually listening to them, and then you are ready to solve their issue. So this will provide a good impression to the customer that you will be helping out to them on their issue.
So, what steps do you take to go to that extra mile?
One of the very best things to exceed customer support expectations is you should be available to the customer, and your service should be available to the customer even when it is not under your expertise. So recently I had a conversation with one of the customers. He had connected to us regarding an issue with another product or another department. So he was actually frustrated because he could not connect to the right department. I observed his frustration, and then I gathered all the required information from that particular team and provided it to the customer. So this will make the customer let out their frustration, be in a good position, and also they will be sure that we will be assisting them in any situation. And I've also had gone to the extra mile wherein I had to build a bot, an answer bot or also bot, which we call as an automatic bot, right from the scratch, which is not my job actually, but then to save the customer's time and energy, and I did so.
Yeah. So, is there any area within customer support where improvement is possible based on successful interactions you have had?
Yes, there is always room for improvement. So, I think that customer support representatives can improve their interpreting skills, because not every customer will be tech savvy and not everybody will be understanding the terms that we use. So we can explain things to them in a simple way that will give out a good impression, or that will improve the customer's experience. Also, we can commit or resolve an issue before to the committed ETA. And these are the things that will improve the customer's experience.
Thank you so much for your time, Roomi. So that's it for today. We will catch up with you on another episode on Conversational Gems.